वर्तमान शक्ति चैनल आपको स्वागत दयाकर भिडियो संपूर्ण देखते और आम चैनल सब्सक्राइब करूँ। आज आम ओडिशा इकोनॉमिक सर्वे MCQ क्वेश्चन देखा यहाँ संपूर्ण MCQ फॉर्मेट चलतु आरंभ करवा। What is the estimated total investment in Odisha's industrial sector for 2025-26? 2.5 lakh crore, 3.2 lakh crore, 4 lakh crore, 1.8 lakh crore. Answer about B. In the 2024-25 fiscal year, what percentage of Odisha's budget was allocated for social sector scheme? 20%, 25%, 30%, 35%. Answer about C. What is the projected growth rate for Odisha's agriculture sector in 2025-26? 3.5%, 4%, 4.5%, 5%. Answer about B. Which crop has the highest area under cultivation in Odisha as for 2024-25? Wheat, rice, maize, pulse. Answer about B. Rice. What is the estimated number of MSME, micro, small and medium enterprises in Odisha of 25 and 26? 1.5 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh, 4.5 lakh. Answer about C. What is the expected growth rate of Odisha tourism sector in 25 and 26? 10%, 15%, 12.5%, 9%. Answer about A. 10%. How much Odisha's allocation for a skill development program in budget of 2025-26? 500 crore, 1,500 crore, 1,000 crore, 2,000 crore. Answer about B. 1,000 crore. What percentage of Odisha's population is expected to be below the poverty line in 2025-26? 22, 15, 18, 12. Answer about B. What is the projected increase in renewable energy capacity in Odisha by the end of 2025-26? 1000 MW, 2000, 1500, 2500 megawatt. Answer about C. What is the estimated percentage of women in leadership role in Odisha workforce of 2024? 15, 20, 25, 30. Answer about C. 25%. In which year did Odisha achieve its highest ever revenue collection? 23-24, 25-26, 24-25, 22-23. Answer about B. 24-25. What is the percent of urban population in Odisha as per the latest census? 30, 35, 40, 45. Answer about A. What is the expected increase in Odisha's literacy rate by the year of 2026? 1, 3, 2, 4. Answer about B. 2% of literacy बढ़िबो. Which sector received the highest foreign direct investment in Odisha during the fiscal year 2024-25? Manufacturing, agriculture and allied activity, service, mining. Answer about A. Manufacturing. What is the projected growth rate for Odisha construction sector in 25-26? 6.5, 7%, 7.5, 8%. Answer about C. 7.5%. How many new startup were registered in Odisha during year 24-25? केतेटा नुआ स्टार्टअप रजिस्टर होता ओडिसा रे? 500, 1500, 1000, 2000. आंसर अब B. 1000. What is the estimated value of Odisha's agriculture export in the fiscal year 24-25? 10,000, 15,000, 12,500, 17,500. Answer अब C. 15,000 कोटी. What is the percentage of children enrolled in primary education in Odisha as of the latest report? 85%, 90, 95, 80. Answer about B. 90%. What is the total area under organic farming in Odisha as of the end of fiscal year 24-25? 2 lakh hectare, 4 lakh hectare, 3 lakh hectare, 5 lakh hectare. Answer haba C 4 lakh hectare. In term of employment generation, which sector is projected to grow the fastest in Odisha by the end of fiscal year 25-26? Agriculture and allied activity, industrial sector, service sector, construction sector. Answer haba B service sector. What is the expected contribution of the IT sector to Odisha's GSDP by the end of fiscal year 24-25? 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000. Answer haba C 10,000 crore. What is the projected increase in public transport facility in urban area of Odisha by the end of fiscal year 2025-26? 10%, 15%, 20%, 25%. Answer haba C. What was Odisha's rank in terms of overall ease of doing business as for the latest report? 10 plus, 15 plus, 20 plus, 25 plus. Answer haba 10 plus. How many new health facilities are planned to be established in Odisha by the end of fiscal year 2025-26? 200 facility, 300, 400, 500. Answer haba B 300 facility. What is the anticipated growth rate of Odisha's fishery sector by the end of fiscal year 2025-26? 6%, 8% per annum, 10% per annum, 12% per annum. C 10% per annum re growth hoji. In which sector does Odisha have a comparative advantage due to its natural resources? Tourism sector, mining sector, IT sector, textile sector. Answer will be mining sector. What is the target for reducing carbon emission in Odisha by the year 2030 as part of its climate action plan? By 20% current level, 30% current level, 40% current level, 50% from current level. Answer will be 30% from current level. Target रखा है 2030. What is the projected increase in Odisha's forest cover by 2026? 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%. Forest केते increase है Odisha रे ना 2% है. How many new educational institutes are expected to be established in Odisha by the end of the fiscal year 2025-26? 100, 200, 300, 400. Answer will be 200 institute नुआ करा जायछि. What is the estimated percent of household with access to clean drinking water in Odisha by 2025? 18%, 85, 90, 95. Answer will be 85%. What is the target for increasing women's participation in the workforce in Odisha by 2025-26? 30, 35, 40, 45. Answer will be 35. What is the expected growth rate of Odisha manufacturing sector in the fiscal year 2025-26? 5.5, 6.0, 7.0, 8.0. Answer above C 7%. How many new national highways are planned to be constructed in Odisha by 2026? 1000 km, 1500, 2000 km, 2500 km. Answer above B 1500 km new NH construction कराजिबो. What is the estimated investment in renewable energy project in Odisha by the end of fiscal year 2025-26? 10,000 crore, 12,000, 15,000, 20,000. Answer about C. What percent of Odisha's budget is allocated for infrastructure development in the fiscal year 2025-26? 25, 30, 35, 40. Answer about B 30%. What is the target of increasing agricultural productivity in Odisha by 2026? 10%, 12%, 15%, 10%. Answer about B 12%. How many new public health centers are planned to be opened in Odisha by the end of 2025-26? 150, 200, 250, 300. Answer will be 200. What is the estimated growth rate of Odisha's logistics sector by the end of fiscal year 2025-26? 8, 9, 10, 12. Answer of C 10. What is the expected contribution of agriculture to to Odisha's GSDP by the end of the fiscal year 2025-26? 1 lakh, 1.2 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh. Answer of B, 1.2 lakh. What is the target for increasing solar energy capacity in Odisha by the end of fiscal year 2025-26? 500, 750, 1000, 1500. Answer of C, 1000 megawatt. How many skill development centers are planned to be established in Odisha by the end of fiscal year 2025-26? 50, 75, 100, 150. Answer of B, 75. What is the projected growth rate of Odisha's textile industry by the end of fiscal year 2025-26? 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer of B, 7. What is the anticipated reduction in child malnutrition rate in Odisha by the year 2026? 10, 12, 15, 20. Answer of B, 12. How much is allocated for rural development program in Odisha budget of for the fiscal year 2025-26? 1200, 1500, 2000, 2500. Answer of C, 2000. What is the expected increase in employment opportunity in Odisha's service sector by the end of fiscal year 2025-26? 10,000 job, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. Answer of B, 10,000. 40% of Odisha's population is expected to have access to electricity by the end of fiscal year 2025-26. 90, 92, 95, 98. C, 95. How many new irrigation projects are planned to be launched in Odisha by the end of fiscal year 2025-26? 100, 200, 300, 400. Answer of B. What is the target for reducing unemployment rate in Odisha by the end of fiscal year 2025-26? 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer of B, 3. What is the projected increase in fish production in Odisha by the end of fiscal year 2025-26? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Answer of B, 2,000 crore. How many new roads are expected to be constructed in a rural area of Odisha by the end of fiscal year 2025-26? 1,000 km, 1,500 km, 2,500 km, 3,000 km. Answer B, 1,500 km. आपण माने वीडियो टी शेष जाय देखि दिबो आपण मानकु धन्यवाद।